Welcome. Today, we will dissect a device you pass every day without noticing, the smart electricity meter. We will look inside to understand the physics of how solenoids control your power and explore how this small computer connects your home to the global energy grid. Unlike old analog meters that simply tallied usage with mechanical counters, smart meters are intelligent endpoints. They record real-time data, use two-way wireless signals, and are fully integrated into the advanced metering infrastructure. A smart meter runs a continuous internal loop. It senses raw power, calculates exact usage, stores the data, transmits it to the utility, and can even physically cut the power using a built-in relay. The meter grabs raw electrical signals. An internal integrated circuit acts as a translator, turning raw analog electricity into clean digital math by sampling voltage and current thousands of times per second. Once the math is done, the microcontroller takes over. It stores the data safely in non-volatile memory, so a power outage will not erase it. Then, it uses a cellular or radio modem to transmit your energy data to the utility company. Beyond digital data, the meter performs physical actions. Utilities can cut or restore your power remotely, which is useful for emergencies. They do this using a motorized switch driven by a component called a solenoid. Let's focus on this specific mechanism. A solenoid is brilliant physics. When electricity runs through a coiled wire, it creates an electromagnet. This magnet physically pulls a metal rod, which flips the massive power switch inside the meter. Here is the sequence. The utility sends a wireless command. The meter powers the solenoid coil. The resulting magnetic field snaps the plunger back. The circuit breaks, and the house loses power safely and instantly. Beyond the mechanics, this technology helps you at home. You stop getting estimated bills, can monitor your energy use on your phone, and run your appliances during off-peak hours when power is cheaper. For power companies, this is revolutionary. If a storm hits, the meter uses its final drop of stored power to send a last gasp alert, mapping the exact location of the blackout for repair crews. When we put it all together, smart meters are the key to green energy. Because they communicate both ways, they allow a homeowner with solar panels to safely sell excess electricity back to the grid. Every technology has trade-offs. Replacing millions of mechanical meters with networked computers is expensive, and rural areas often struggle with weak cellular signals, which can break the data communication loop. Security is a major concern. A hacker could theoretically manipulate billing or disrupt the grid. Furthermore, the very granular data that helps you save money also reveals exactly when your house is empty. Finally, there are public fears regarding the radio waves these devices use. While the FCC and experts confirm they are safe, public anxiety, coupled with rare cases of overheating hardware, remains a hurdle for deployment. To summarize, smart meters are the intelligent endpoints of the modern grid. They use digital ICs to calculate power and solenoids to actuate physical control. They make green energy possible, but we must protect the data they gather. Thank you.